Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about Naughty Doge. Naughty Doge, but before we step into it, I want to say thank you guys. I have 1,000 subs right now. Thank you very much. So, without you, this will be not possible. This channel will be not here. And I want to thank you very much. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave me a like and maybe write down into the comments if you like this project. Naughty Doge. Naughty Doge on Binance Smart Chain. It is listed right now 4 hours ago. And we have here this token on PancakeSwap. You can buy it. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit nervous because I have 1,000 subs. Please understand that. And let's step into it. For me, I like this project, Naughty Doge. It's a very new project. It's fresh on the blockchain. And yeah, I mean, just look at this video on naughtydoge.io. And it is a nice pitch video. Look it. And wait, we will look together this video right now. I will stop the music and shut.
There's a new Doge in the scene, and we're about to witness the next step in video streaming evolution. Naughty Doge is the blockchain-based streaming platform that comes with a revolution afoot. Currently, video streaming companies are heavily centralized, so the site's quality and rules are not decided by the consumers or producers. Plus, the companies retain the majority of the creators' earnings. Naughty Doge takes advantage of blockchain's decentralization technology to not only give power back to the content creators and consumers, but also improve video quality, distribution, and accessibility. With the Naughty Doge token, users can stream and support creators, both professional and amateur, while the Naughty Doge NFTs gives the community a chance to retain value regardless of market fluctuations. Are you ready for the next level? Naughty Doge, empowered streaming.
So guys, I think this is a huge pitch, and I like this project. I cannot tell you right now why, but the community is so massive behind it, and everyone who is talking about Naughty Doge want to be a part of it. I already bought my tokens on PancakeSwap, and yes, I mean, you listen to the video, you know what's going on right now. Where Naughty meets Doge. Naughty Doge is not just a regular adult token or just a Doge coin with models. Naughty Doge is an ambition token attacking every part of the crypto sphere. We will have marketing never before seen, branding that is second to none, with top-tier clothing designs incorporating some of the most unique NFTs ever created in the metaverse. We also have plans in the work for additional use cases such as a game and a streaming app for content creators. So big words from, I hope, big guys behind it. I cannot tell you right who is behind this project, but it looks in my eyes very good. Don't throw all your money inside. You know what I think about this, but I have done it already. I bought some tokens, and yeah, they want to create an NFT platform also. They want to make a game also, and yeah, it is not just another Doge. I think this thing will go huge if the community stands up for it, and I see the community now is very fast growing, because this thing is right now not long listed on CoinGecko, so you can be one of the first guys who participate and make some bucks, right? 1 trillion total supply. We have 4% liquidity, 4% to holder staking, and 4% marketing. And no, it is not a rebase token. Don't be afraid. One of you guys hate this token, so I let it be for right now. I didn't find a good one, but I can tell you Naughty Doge is a normal token, so you increase automatically your amount just of holding the tokens, and that's the good old school tokens, right? So we have here some materials, FAQs, how does Naughty Doge work. Naughty Doge taxes of a total of 12% on every transaction which goes is subdivided into two parts. 4% sales transaction is redistributed back to all Naughty Doge holders, and 4% of the tokens are used to create liquidity for the token. 4% will go into marketing and development. Marketing, very important, guys. We will have campaigns on just about every platform. Additionally, for charity, men's prostate charities and team expansions models. So they are doing here also some charity stuff. Is liquidity locked? Liquidity will be locked after launch. Launch is 12/10/21. The date of launch is still not official. Please visit Telegram for pre-sale and more information. But let's see on KuCoin app what's going on the actual chart right now. Just copy this address. You know that, guys, how it works. And on KuCoin chart you always see all the actual prices from Binance Smart Chain tokens. And now we have the chart, I hope, soon in front of us. It is a 1 day, we don't need 1 day, so it is listed on 12th October, and now it's just hard pumping. We have a hard pumping situation, guys. Just try to be one of the first who hop into that project, because I think something big is going on here, and here for sure nothing happened, but when it start to be listed on CoinGecko, you see here the pumps and dumps for sure. This is the quick cash makers, the make some 50%. It's enough for most people. I mean, why not, right? And already invested 139,000. Market cap 532,000. So let me know what you think about this project. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit still nervous because I hit that 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot for me, and I hope I see you in the next video again, that I can show you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave me a like, and maybe write down into the comments what you think about Naughty Doge project, which I like personally, but it's still your decision how far you go and how much you throw inside that project. So I wish you all the best. Until next videos, make a big profits, guys, and see you later, alligator. Bye.